What do you want? You want that? Oh, you want that. I see. Can you push the car to me? Well, that's a good try. Something got in the way, though. Push the car to me. Over here, push it. Thank you. Here you go, I'll push it to you. Can you push it back to me? Push it back to me. You don't want to play that game? Alright, bye-bye. Oh, you want to push it over there? Yeah, it's more fun over there. You're right. Okay, push it over here to me. Yeah, push it to me. Oh, good job! Right to me. Alright, here you go. Your turn. Whee! Can you do it again? Push the car over here to me. Push it over here to me. That was a pretty good attempt. Okay, ready? Oh, you stepped on it. Uh-huh. Are you getting mad at the car? Alright. Well, thank you for playing with the car with me, Sam. Do you want to say bye-bye to all the people out there in the world that are going to watch this video? All the millions? Because you're such an adorable baby? No? You just want to poke stuff? Alright. Alright. Bye-bye, Sam.